Do you want to turn off AI in Edge browser? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Microsoft Edge is deeply integrated with Copilot and Bing AI. You can only disable visibility and functionality, not remove the code entirely. Moreover, at times, Edge updates may re-enable features, so keep this in mind when you carry out these changes. Now let's get started on how to turn off AI in Edge browser. Method 1. Using Edge settings. You can do the following as well. Open Edge, then head to Settings. Next, select Languages and turn off Use Copilot for writing on the web. You should also do this. Turn off the Copilot mode. To do that, open Edge browser and go to this URL. Or you can go to Settings, then About Microsoft Edge. This will update your browser to the latest version. Next, click on Settings, then select AI Innovations. When you attempt this for the first time, the settings will offer a link that opens a dedicated Copilot page where you can change the toggle. The next time you visit, you can toggle Copilot mode on or off as per your preference. You can click on Explore Copilot mode and turn the toggle on or off. You can also disable Copilot button in Edge and then disable Edge sidebar. Hide the Copilot chat icon in the Edge top right corner by right-clicking on it and selecting Hide. To make things easy, just search for Copilot in the Edge settings bar and you will see all the settings for Copilot AI. Simply turn off all of them. Method 2. Using flags. To disable AI features in Microsoft Edge and stop data sharing, follow these steps. Open Microsoft Edge on your PC. Type Edge:/flags in the address bar and press Enter. This opens the experimental settings for Edge. In the Search Flags box, type AI. The search may show up to 4 AI-related options depending on your version of Edge. Common options include Enable Compose on the web, Explain Dev Tools with AI, Allow Bing AI-generated workspaces, Enables AI data collection via extension. Additional features may appear as Microsoft adds more AI functionalities. For each AI-related settings that appears, click the drop-down menu next to it and select Disabled. After disabling all relevant settings, click the Restart button at the bottom of the page. Edge will restart and apply the changes. By disabling these flags, you can reduce AI-related features in Edge. Method 3. Disable Microsoft 365 Copilot icon. Open Command Prompt as administrator and execute the following command. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.